It's Sunday, February 15th, 2026, and we do have a chance to see severe weather today in southern Georgia and on the Florida Panhandle, and some potential for severe weather and snow coming up. So let's jump straight into today's weather forecast. So the first thing I do want to talk about is the current severe weather. So always the most critical weather that's going on is what I want to talk about first. So we do have a slight risk for severe weather for the Florida Panhandle today. This does include Tallahassee. Many of these storms might have happened already by the time you're watching this video, but who knows? So, we got a marginal risk expanding around the slight risk where there's going to be potential for scattered severe thunderstorms, maybe even an isolated tornado or two. And then we got that yellow slight risk, which is for, I think it's wind and tornado driven, where there's going to be a chance to see severe thunderstorms and a chance to see tornadoes. Again, if you're in this brown, this is going to be the main area of tornadoes, but this green still has a chance, even up there towards Augusta, Georgia needs to be staying aware. But Tallahassee, Dothan, Albany, Jacksonville, St. Augustine, and Palm Coast probably need to stay the most aware. But Daytona Beach, Orlando, Spring Hill, Tampa, you guys should also stay aware for this. We also got Savannah and Macon and Statesboro also in this. Atlanta, you guys are not included in any of these risks. So you guys are probably fine. You guys might see some rain though, maybe a few thunder and lightning. And then we also got this wind risk, so this yellow area has the highest chance to see severe thunderstorms. Then we also got this brown area, which also has a chance to see severe thunderstorms. And they took away the hail risk, but I think we used to have one. I don't think we're going to be seeing any supercells. I mean, it's definitely a possibility. It's definitely might happen. Of course it might happen, though. We could see them go up into the line of storms, but who knows? This is where the storms are at right now at the time of making this video. They could be like right here by the time you're watching this. It could be right here. It could be right here, or they might not even be here by the time you're watching this. So make sure you be staying aware. There's going to be a chance to see some tornadoes today in these areas. So I'm gonna show you guys a tip someone gave me in the comment section of where the rotating supercells could be. Okay, so. We're using this radar, the HRRR. If you're watching this video, is that right? This City or whatever you call it. I forgot this model existed. So these are areas of where, let me see, storm related is a measure of potential for severe thunderstorm, hail, and tornadoes. Okay, so this is where most of the rotating supercells could be, and it looks like we could definitely see some over here. And definitely have a chance to see some over here as well, though. So. If you see these areas, these are the main areas for like rotating supercells. So that's what's going on with that. And if we check out the Cape right here, this shows all the Cape. So I mean the Cape isn't looking that strong to me, I guess. So I mean we do get some Cape being cake. Oh my gosh. We do have some Cape being sent up, though, from the Gulf of Mexico up into Georgia in these areas. So there's definitely going to be a potential that I could see a tornado today. I mean, the potential went down since yesterday. Let's check out our SIGNTOR. This shows us significant tornadoes. A significant tornado perimeter, that's what it is. So yeah, we do got some of that, not very much, though. And we also do got some supercell composites. So yeah, there is going to be a chance for supercells and stuff like that. So make sure to be staying aware. Let's check out, is the Daytona at risk for any rain before this? I would say some Daytona might see some rain because we have that Daytona race coming up. There might be some rain before the storm comes, but I don't think that's going to be a big concern for the race. But you can see this is what it looks like at 11 a.m. Eastern. The storms could be impacting Tallahassee around around noon Eastern, okay, is when Tallahassee will probably be impacted. But it could also be 1 p.m. Eastern, maybe even 11 a.m. Eastern. So, then you can, around 4 p.m. Eastern, it looks like these storms get into like a more of a line that I can see well. I mean, it's kind of messy. Like, there's a bunch of rain behind it. I mean, it's kind of messy, especially right now. It's pretty messy, too. And then it's going to go to Daytona Beach. It's probably going to, like, rain the most at Daytona Beach, like, tonight, like, in the nighttime. So, there might be a little bit of a nocturnal tornado threat if you live down here in Florida. So, just make sure to stay aware. But, make sure to have alerts on, stay weather aware, and tune into local forecasts. So that's what's going on for today's weather risk. Now, let's fly over to Los Angeles. You probably didn't think I was going to say that. Where we got some marginal risk for severe weather over there for tomorrow on Monday. So we got marginal risk for Canberra and Los Angeles, as well as Channel Islands National Park for tomorrow, February 16th, 2026. That's on Monday. And a marginal risk up here near Sacramento, where there's going to be a chance that we could see a isolated tornado or two, mainly if you're in these green areas. But also going to be a chance that we could see some severe thunderstorms, but no hail. So, yeah. Up here in this green up here is going to be the tornado risk. I think this is just tornado driven up there. Yeah. But down here is tornado risk and wind driven. So yes, there's going to be a potential to see some severe weather in Los Angeles and some of these areas on Monday, February 16th. You can see that we could see some rain in some of these areas even today, I think. As you can see. We're just gonna have like these systems coming in, and there's definitely gonna be some snow as well with these systems, and stuff like that, and severe weather comes with it too. So, yeah. Now, one thing is that there's gonna be a lot of snow over here. Okay, in California, there's gonna be a lot of snow over here. We'll talk about severe weather again for some other places, but let's talk about the snow that we're expecting in California, because we're expecting to get a lot of snow. So, let's put this all the way up. So this is what it looks like at March 2nd. Look how much snow we could be seeing. Look at this. We'll be seeing feet of snow, possibly. Well, not possibly, definitely. We'll probably be seeing feet of snow in some of these places. Carson City be getting some snow. If you're in like these green or turquoise areas, it's going to be the most snow that you could get out of this whole system. Okay. We'll also probably see some snow up here. Even some snow going up here into Idaho. Could see quite a lot through this area, but also have some near the Rexburg area. But anyways, that's just what's going on with the snow. Now let's go way into the future and talk about the potential for another snowstorm. It's not that far into the future. I mean, it's definitely probably it's not that far into the future. It's probably gonna change since then, but yeah, we might have some severe weather down here in Indiana, Ohio. So I'll talk about that once we get the future radar going. And some snow possible up here. So yeah, let's fast forward it up to that day. Okay, so this is what it looks like on February 17th right here. We're going to have some rain, some snow trying to come together in this area. Then it's going to turn into like a snowstorm and cause some snow in some of these areas. And we could have like a little line of storms come off of it and cause some severe weather in parts of parts of Ohio and Indiana on Wednesday. And so, like, this area needs to be staying aware for severe weather on Wednesday. So, February 18th needs to be staying aware for severe weather if you live in this area. So, that's what's going on with that. Now, we do have some pretty cold temperatures. Pretty warm temperatures coming in. You might have noticed it's a little bit above average. Some places are definitely cold on the West Coast. But you can see that we're definitely going to be seeing some more above average temperatures for another while. But we could see some cold air starting to come together around February 23rd. This is far into the future, but it's definitely a potential. Could start seeing more cold temperatures. But as of right now, let's check out the CPC outlook. This is kind of confusing. I don't know what they're expecting. I'm not the professional here. They are the professional here. Once again, check your National Weather Service for your life or death situations. Which you probably already do. And then, where's this at? CPC. Okay. We have a warm and above average temperatures pretty much expected in this area for another while. Like this area. And then we got the more cold temperatures on the West Coast. We got the normal temperatures in here. Looks like maybe below average a little bit up there. And then the warm temperatures over here. So, snow and cold up here. Warm right here. And having severe weather down here. So all kinds of different weather is happening right now, guys. All kinds. So make sure to be staying weather aware. And I would say there's going to be a potential for some severe weather in the future, definitely. Because severe weather season is pretty much here. Well, soon it is. It's not here yet, but it's pretty much going to be here really soon. Because it's almost March, guys. You know March is going to come fast, okay? So be watching out. And yeah, I think there's also going to be potential that we could see some severe weather in this area too at some point. Let me see if I can I'll show you guys that. But I got this information from the SPC. I mean, it's not like the actual National Weather Service message, but yeah, definitely some severe weather. This is the area I'm also concerned about. Around February 20th, we can see some storms pop up over here. Could produce severe winds and stuff, but it's going to continue to show signs of maybe more snow and more severe weather. Winter is not over, okay? It's going to get cold again at some point, probably. So, yeah, rain and severe weather is also coming. And, yeah. And El Nino might be making a comeback. See ya.